This is not the HackPack IR turret robot. Hello and welcome, my name is Brian, and in this video I'm going to show you how to build a HackPack inspired IR turret with just a 3D printer and some low-cost electronics. Let's go over the hardware needed for this project. Starting with the microcontroller. You will need an Arduino Nano as well as this expansion sensor shield to simplify the hardware connections to the Arduino. Next, you will need a single 180-degree servo and 2 continuous rotation servos. To control the robot, you will need an IR remote as well as an IR sensor with 3 female jumper wires to receive the signals from the remote. You will need 6 rubber bands for the darts, and to power the robot, you will need this battery pack with 4 AA batteries. I will include my Amazon affiliate links for each of these items in the description below. Now let's take a look at the design of the IR turret robot. I had 2 main design constraints, which include designing for 3D printing, meaning that I wanted to minimize or eliminate the need for support material, and secondly, I wanted to limit the need for screws or any external hardware. As a result, only one part needs to be printed with support material, and the only screws needed are included with the servos. All the parts are available to purchase on my website, www.herreraengineering.com. There are 2 tiers available to purchase. The Maker tier includes just the STL files, which are ready to print, and the Pro tier includes the STL files as well as the step files, which is great if you want to customize the parts or alter any of the dimensions. Now that we have the STL files downloaded and printed, we can move on to the assembly. The fit and finish may vary depending on the filament and 3D printer you use. For reference, I'm using a Bamboo Labs P1S 3D printer and eSun PLA Plus filament. One of the benefits of 3D printing this robot is that you can print extra darts in case you lose some or want to have spares, and you can reprint any parts if they break over time. If you are enjoying this video so far, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. And leave a comment if you think this makes me a bootleg Mark Rober, or is this more along the lines of reverse engineering? With the assembly complete, let's move on to the software. The Arduino software is free to download from my GitHub page. You can find my GitHub page through my website or through the link in the description below. There are 2 sketches available to download. The first is needed to decode the IR signals from any IR remote, and the second is needed to control the robot. Hopefully you have some previous experience working with Arduinos. If not, there's plenty of tutorials on YouTube to help get you started. The software should be ready to download and upload to the Arduino Nano microcontroller, but feel free to alter the software if you need.